Hey guys, and I'm gonna sell all of my skins. I think it will be a good decision because I need to get that honey badger. I did this once and I had to do it twice. Do I have like case inventory? What happened? Okay, goodbye. 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 I might not. Okay, it's not gonna happen. I need 5,000. Wait, it might. It might happen. I hope. I need 5,700. I can make it. I believe. I believe. Ah, this is so intense. Oh no. Oh, we're so close. Wait, can we do it? Wait, weapon loadout. Honey badger. We did it! We did it! We got it! Oh my god, my favorite gun. Yes, I got the honey badge. Yes! I got it from selling all my skins. It's the second time I did it. Don't call me crazy. Yay. Wow. Okay, we had to try out this gun. Once I got it, I got like 10 kills out of it. Oh my god. I'm so happy I got it. By selling all of my skins and being poor. Wow, freaking enemies. Holy goodness, this is so overpowered. I'm not even sad for selling all the skins. I'm actually happy somehow. It's honey badgers, boy! Holy goodness, this is OP. It's okay, I'm proud of selling my skins. You know, honey badgers are good. They're my favorite guns, and I got it. My dream gun, yes. Got my dream gun, boy! No! My honey badger! Okay, I have only $8. Somehow we actually did it. I thought we were not gonna make it with all those comments. We actually did it. Is it team death? I think we're winning. Yeah, I think. I need to get used to it because I play on P90 all the times. All these people are dead. Not a dead man. That's a dead man. Oh, I didn't even know there's. Hi! That is not normal. That is not normal. Okay? That is not normal for that. Honey Badger, what happened to you? Before I just like hit those 3 times and they died. Wow. It's okay. It's a honey badger. I will never be disappointed. Just by this name. I will never. Like, no matter what, I won't be disappointed. Because once I am on fire, with this gun. Oh my god, look at it. Ooh, that's how it works, yes. That's how it works! Oh my god, that bad time to stretch it. What's my streak? Wait, that's not a streak? thought that was a streak. That was a head? Or no, it's not a head. That is a head. That is a head. That's a honey badger, boy. Yes, it is. It's the best gun in the game. Honey badgers. Goodness. Okay, got him killed. That's an assist, maybe? Yep. Headshot. No! One honey badger. You can do way better than this, and I know. Gonna get some milk. Okay, I only have like 15 minutes to record, or else my demo will turn off immediately. So yeah, if I accidentally just goodbye, it's the you know what it means. We're winning or losing? I'm serious. Honey badger. He does so much damage if you get a headshot with this. I think it has bad accuracy. Oh no, I just wasted some bullets. Okay, I didn't waste any. What is that? We should get boogie bombs. That would be so hilarious. Like boogie bombs as a grenade, like the Fortnite day. Ooh. Ooh. Oh yeah. Oh, nice. I got that pistol. That I want. Yes, hear my shots, boy. It's a honey badger. Oh no. Yes, of course it is a honey badger, honey. Get it, honey. Scamming some bullets. Thank you. Spamming more bullets. Thank you. Thank you. What? Oh my god. Can you sprint backwards? Like, I don't think you can sprint backwards. Yeah, you can. So how am I taking damage? Lead poisoning? So sad. This honey badger kind of looks like a Scarl without skin. Thank you. Thank you too. It's a honey badger. So learn it. That's a pistol. No thank you. I just got pistoled. Because I was reloading. I thought no one was there. Then I just... Yes, it's a honey badger. Honey badgers, bees. Have some bees. Bees for dinners. Okay. That is a really good pistol. Before, I don't even know how to even shoot with it. Now I see that you have to focus and aim extra time, so you get extra accuracy, kind of like it. Okay, extra speed, thank you. Sniper. Oh, no. No, thank you. No, thank you. What is this? What is this? Get me out of here. Did I just glitch on their map? Help me! Reset. Will it work? Does it even reset the game? Nope, it doesn't. Oh, it does. Okay, this is a pretty good spot for my spy ball. You don't jump around with a honey badger on you. You don't need to do anything with the honey badger. All you need to just click that button and shoot at people. So they hit. Wow. I really like the honey badger. It's gotta be my favorite gun. Oh no, I'm not going there ever again, so I don't have to reset. Nice grenade. Dead. Oh my god. Sometimes, like, even on my teammates, I didn't see the name tag clear enough. So I had to, like, I was, like, focusing on my own teammate. Sniper, thank you. No! They have a better sniper. They have a scoped one. Can I, like, put attachments on the secondary? Ooh. I prefer laser. Stretch it. So itchy because of allergies, I think. Extra speed, thank you. Thank you. Honey badger, thank you. Reload, thank you. Yes. Sniper, thank you. No, thank you. Ah, stupid Endervisions. All they do is sniping. You know what? I gotta teach them a lesson. For sniping people. That is not okay. Sniping is not fun. The game should remove the sniping thing. Like, all they do is just sit there and they're getting sniped. Like, all they do is just sit there and snipe. That's all they're doing. Like, is this even fun? Are they even... All they do is just get kills. Like, come on. Go on the battlefield. Or else you're nothing. Some people are nothing without the snipers. And that's what I underestimate. I don't think they're a good player when they just sit there and snipe, you know? I don't see them. It seems that I think they're trash. Because I do. Look at it. All these people right here. All these people. Snipers. Hold up one. Someone took it. Nobody here. They all left? No. They're like hiding mode. Okay, it's a speed test, okay? Okay, there. I can test it now. I see. See some people? How do we defeat it? We should be the winners. What?